Hey guys, it's Justine. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I am here with my sister Jenna.
Hello.
Today we are gonna make Shamrock Shakes and also cream cheese cones. I wanted to just make the Shamrock Shake for a video and I was like, that's like one simple thing. Like basically we're blending ice cream and dyeing it green and that's it.
That sounds like a stomachache waiting to happen.
It does, but it's gonna be so delicious.
It will be.
So not only are we gonna make the Shamrock Shakes, which is one of my favorite things from McDonald's ever. Do you remember when we came back from the Grand Canyon? And I got a Shamrock Shake at McDonald's and about lost my mind. I ordered it from the little machine, I picked it, and then it just showed up.
Do you think this will be better than that?
I don't know, probably not.
Really setting your expectations high there.
You gotta set your expectations super low so that when anything goes moderately well,
you're just like, wow, this is great.
Expectations have been exceeded.
Your box is wet.
There's been a lot of rain in Los Angeles and all my groceries, because I don't actually go to the store, they were on my doorstep and getting rained on.
Very soggy.
Super
Do you think
soggy.
the cones are soggy?
No, I think they're in paper or plastic or
they
something.
are.
But the cones are for cheesecake. What the heck are these? I don't know. I was looking for something that was no-bake. No-bake Shamrock Shake cheesecake cones. Let's get started. The first thing that we're gonna need is cream cheese. We need powdered sugar. We've got that.
Oh, I scared myself. Oh my goodness.
I think we need a bowl.
Oh, I've got you.
Oh, I love having a sous chef. Don't think that's where the bowls are.
Bigger, smaller?
Probably bigger.
That's funny, because look how many bowls are in here. There's a lot of bowls.
For someone that actually does not cook or bake, other than making videos,
It's a lot of things.
this is like a full-fledged.
There's a whole nother drawer of bowls over here.
So the first thing that we're gonna need to do is beat the cream cheese, sugar, and extracts until creamy. How do I beat them?
With a beater.
Do you think I use a beater or do I use my hand?
No, get the thing. Do you think this goes in here?
How many
I am.
ounces are you? Half cup powdered sugar. Wait. Sugar. What are you doing?
What's the problem here? This one's the trouble one. Oh, shut up.
You got a half cup over there?
Of what? Liquid or dry?
Doesn't matter.
Well,
Yeah, it does. Dry.
do I beat the cream cheese now?
I mean, we're gonna beat it soon.
I'm just like ready now.
Yeah, we gotta put in this. Oh, we need a vanilla extract. Can you grab some vanilla from back there as
Sure.
well? In the, no. Yeah, no.
I didn't go anywhere yet.
Yes.
Then
Oh my God, that smells incredible. We'll just put a little,
bean paste.
I don't know, is that 3/4? 3/4 what? Pepper. 3/4 teaspoon. Ha, I think I put 3/4.
Whoops, almost knocked the light over. That's not it. That's.
That smells incredible. No, this is pure vanilla.
Wait!
Pure vanilla.
Oh God.
Help.
No.
Are you okay?
I'm a strong, independent woman, but I might fall down.
That's enough.
You didn't measure.
Since when am I about that measuring life? Careful, careful.
It doesn't go lower.
Careful. It's gonna start, things are gonna happen.
I don't know what you want me to do. That smells lovely.
I'm gonna put the things back that we've already used.
It's not mixing together.
It's a process.
Is this supposed to be room temperature cream cheese? This seems to be cold cream cheese.
These are questions that you have asked, and I have not an answer for you. I'll get a spatula. I'm so fancy. Okay, so we've got a problem.
So, okay, so we have a few problems.
What's next? What? Oh.
No.
Okay, how about this? Okay. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. That's incredible. You're so smart.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
I'm sorry. This says refrigerate the mixture for at least an hour. Guess who's not doing that?
Who has time to put in the freezer for 6 minutes? That was a very interesting taste that I have just tasted. Do I need this anymore?
I'm not sure.
I'm gonna put it over here.
I don't know.
What are we making? The cones.
I forgot. How much do we need? Ow, my finger hurts. We have to fold in 2 cups.
Like this type of cup?
No, I think we just kind of like use our measurement. No! Wait, look on the side of the thing. What's it say? Who's gonna get a tummy ache today?
Me.
Me too.
This says.
I think Tyler's gonna get a tummy ache.
He's gonna get a tummy ache. I'm just gonna scoop.
Yes. We don't want to use it all because we need to save some of it for the top.
How about, look at this. About a cup and a half.
My shirt's falling off because I'm a slob.
Do I put this in here?
Yeah, we're gonna fold it in.
Folded that lovely.
This isn't folding either, but I think that
Your internet installation is coming in 29 minutes.
this is sort of like oil and water. Hold the bowl for me.
Beat the cream cheese. still creamy. Do you want to use a whisk?
No.
Do you need help? Do you...
I think we're good. That's nice. Okay. This looks like just fine. I'm gonna put this in the freezer while we work on our Shamrock Shakes.
Okay.
What do we need? Ice cream.
You ever just have days where like...
I've been having a...
I think I've been having
a year.
I think I've been having it 12 months.
We're so excited about 2018 being over because it was a bit of a struggle, and then 2019 got here and it was like...
Can we have 2018 back?
Can we... Joke's on you. Joke's on me, joke's on you. 1 1/4 cups of milk. Did I get the wrong kind?
No. It smells cold.
Yeah, okay. We need 2 cups of ice cream.
Well, here's the problem. I used the ice cream scoop for the Cool Whip.
You did use that. What are you even doing? I think I have another scooper. That'll work too. Oh, look at that. That's super unique of you. This is so incredibly easy. Like you're basically putting ice cream and milk into a blender. Got the mint in. Oh, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. So I thought I had chocolate syrup, but I cleaned my fridge out and it was rotten. So I had to get rid of it.
This doesn't look healthy.
It looks really good. I am loving it.
Make sure the cap is on or else.
Where are my cups at in this?
I guess I could have got them.
This looks like a milkshake option.
You look like a milkshake option. Oh, lovely. Oh.
Oh, that's a little soupy. That's a little soupy. I did get Ready Whip.
Oh, that's disgusting.
We can't use straws because the internet doesn't allow us to use straws anymore because it's bad for the environment. So we don't use them anymore.
I get it. You should get into metal straws.
We'll just put a lot of cream in this one.
Do you have like a stick?
A stick.
Oh, you're just sticking your hands in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, honestly, I wash my hands.
When?
Look at that Shamrock Shake.
I'm sorry. How is it?
It tastes like I put peppermint extract into a blender with ice cream and milk. I'll tell you what though.
It's very pepperminty.
The whipped cream is incredible.
Are Shamrock Shakes pepperminty?
Yeah. Here, Tyler, get a tummy tickle.
You don't have to get a tummy tickle.
You don't have to. You don't have to, but.
Tastes like the holidays. Look, you got a little. Oh, come on.
I don't have a beard.
That's really good.
Oh my god, it's all. Like I am like I already have to go to the bathroom.
Let's let Maddie out. Let's let him get you.
Yeah, get it. Let Maddie give a lick. Maddie, is it that? Give him kisses. Give him kisses.
Maddie, that's like a puppuccino.
Oh my god, he's terrified.
Hey. It's like you look
He's
different.
unsure. He also won't take food from Justine's mouth.
I know, I always try to get him to take like egg out of my mouth. It's so dumb.
Oh my god.
Well, this is content.
This is content.
This is at 25 minutes, so I don't want it to cut.
All right, well, we're gonna clean up and we'll be back with the cones.
This is content. Small.
They are very small.
Do you have like a rack?
This was for, this is not it.
Take that back, that's useless.
I
to me.
definitely had them before. Here, let's put it in the toaster.
No.
Yeah, this is fine. This, oh, shoot. So the toaster isn't plugged in.
That didn't work.
Look,
I've made a mistake.
I think I am, call me MacGyver. Call me Bear Grylls. Where no. I'm already feeling the tummy tickle from that previous snack.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh my god, yeah, this is working so perfect. Like, it's actually working perfectly. But you didn't. What are you doing?
Like that one, you can't do anything
we
with.
can't. We have one more left. We only...
Do you have another toaster? What other appliances can we put it in?
That looks nice.
What about a cup? Oh, no.
What about my mouth?
Now you've soiled it.
This is really good.
But I don't like it. that much.
So we basically just taste tested it. I just don't want to, okay, there we go. That's, So what we can do to taste test, okay. Pretty good. So I think that this is something that you can make for like a picnic or like a St. Patrick's Day date. Like, you can show up to your date store. Baby, I made you a cream cheese cone.
I'd be like, what?
I'd be like, take me now, I'm yours. This is really great.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I would eat this unless like I was being forced to.
Not very good,
No.
to be honest with you.
The dog's upset. Okay.
Well, thank you guys for watching.
Oh God. I gotta go here.
Hope that you moderately enjoy this video.
Don't make that.
Go check out Jenna's channel and happy St. Patrick's Day.
Okay.
I was gonna put sprinkles on it, but honestly, it doesn't even freaking matter.
No.
Okay. This video's over now. Oh my God.
I was like, it's not good.